Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a data to a Tableau prep. So here I have taken the example as ABA bestsellers. If you see this file is being splitted across various source files. So we are going to merge all these into a single file using Tableau prep. So open the Tableau prep, click connect to data. So the source is Microsoft Excel. Click on the Excel. So you can choose any one single file and give open. So here you just need to drag a particular file. So I'm just dragging the first file here. So once I drag the file, you can see the interface here. So here all the files you are going to merge, right? So it will be connected, and if you click on this plus symbol, so you have various steps in order to clean your data, aggregate your data, pivot, join, union, script, output, insert, flow. So let's see one by one. In this video, I'm just going to cover how to union this data and also how to do a basic cleanup. So here if you see, these files have same structure, but only it has been splitted based on the date values. So we can just union these files. So here how we do apply union in Tableau desktop. So here also in multiple file section you can click on the wildcard union. When you choose wildcard union, what it will do, it will just search for other files in the same folder where you have picked your first file. If you see here, see it has fetched all the files, remaining files in that particular folder. So you can just give sheets, include these, everything is been automatically selected. Just give apply. So now all these files are merged together. If you click on the data sample, you can see all the data, or you can even give like a fixed number of rows, like how many data you want to see here. And here all the field is being displayed. And if you want to remove any fields, you can remove it from here itself. For example, I just don't need this table names in the file paths. So now just I'm going to add a cleanup step. So here you can go through each and every column in this file. If you want to change the data type, the same procedure how we used to change in the desktop. So you can, if I want to change from the whole number to decimal, I can just click on it. You can filter the values, rename the values. You can also add a calculated field. You can duplicate a field. You can use keep only, remove the field also. So here I just want to remove the null values. I click on the null values and give exclude. So all the null values are excluded. So whatever changes you are making in the cleanup step, you can see these changes get captured here. So anytime when you want to undo the changes, you can just remove these changes so that changes will be undone. So for each and every data you have certain steps to filter, group and replace, clean, to change to uppercase, lowercase, remove letters, split values, etc. So I will be explaining all these things detailed in the coming videos. So here if I just want to remove any other fields, I can just go through each and every field. If I just want to change any data type, or if I want to clean up, or if I want to rename, all those things I can do it. So but here I just want to do a basic cleanup to remove the null values and combine these files. So any step, if you want to do a preview in Tableau desktop, you can just give preview in Tableau desktop, or else you can rename the step, and you can also give descriptions like what you have done. So we have removed the null values. So now I'm just going to generate the output. So you can click on the output. So once you click on the output, so you have this options to save the file directly as a TDE or a hyper or a CSV, or you can publish as a data source directly to a server environment also. So now we are going to publish this file as a CSV file. So by default it gets stored in the Tableau repository, and the output I'm going to put it as best sellers. Okay, so you just need to browse this location where you want to save these files. By default it gets saved in your Tableau repository, which will reside in your documents folder. Inside that, data sources. So I'm going to rename this as bestseller 2018 and give accept. So we have renamed the file, we have chosen the folder where I need to save this file, and just you have to give run flow either from here or from here. Give done. So now you can just go and check that particular folder, my Tableau Prep repository, data sources. See, here you can see bestseller 2018. Let me open this file. Before that, so now let's see how to save this file. So click on the file menu, save as. So here you have two options, TFL, that is your Tableau flow files, or else TFLX, that is your packaged Tableau flow file, similar to how we save TWB and TWBX files in Tableau desktop. So here also we have, in case if you are saving the file as a flow files, so your data will be missing. So only the metadata information will get stored, your original data source will be missing. When you save it as a packaged TFLX files, so the data will also be included as part of your flow files. Okay. Here whatever we create in Tableau Prep, we call it as workflow. If you see here, all these files are included as part of the TFLX files. In case if you are saving as TFL, these files will not be included. So here in this video, I have shown you like how to connect to this various source files, how to merge these various source files into a single file using wildcard union, and also we did a basic cleanup of removing nulls, and we just generated the output of it. So now you can see all these files are merged together and we have a single file. So now directly you can connect this file to Tableau desktop and you can start creating your visualization. So in the coming videos, I'm going to explain in detail about each and everything, like how to do group and replace, how to do cleanups, and how to use pivot, aggregating, etc. Continue watching my videos. Thanks for listening. Thank you.